Hello, hello, and welcome. My name is Sabrina Brightstar, and I am your host, Keep Your Hands in Your Skirt podcast. What does that mean? That means mind your own damn business. Manage your vibration, your set point, your frequency. Today's topic is a good one. We are going to be discussing interconnection. We are going to have a deep dive into our cosmic network. So in order to do this, we are going to be discussing mycelium. Have you been hearing people talk about mycelium? Mycelium is one of our ancient ancestor teachers. We're going to talk about mycelium, the sun, light codes, and even blue plasma. All of these are working together and supporting humans remember our truth, that we are one with each other, the earth, and our cosmic family. As always, I get to co-create with my favorite co-creator, a version of me, my highest self. I like to connect, communicate, and receive wisdom from an aspect of me, my highest self. Welcome back to the show, highest. Oh, thank you, Sabrina. This is a very special time to be discussing cosmic connections. Humanity is being supported in ways that are both ancient and newly emerging, all to guide you towards remembering your oneness. I love oneness. Okay, let's start with the sun. Now, you know I'm in love with the sun. I call the sun my lover. So how is the sun supporting us right now, especially as we've entered into the age of Aquarius? The sun is more than just a physical source of light. It is a divine portal through which cosmic energy flows into your reality. Right now, the sun is delivering powerful light codes, geometric patterns of information that interact with your DNA. These codes are awakening dormant memories within you, helping you to remember your origins as a cosmic being and your connection to the universe. The sun's role in the age of Aquarius is very significant. This age is about interconnection, community, and unity consciousness. The sun amplifies these qualities, offers clarity, and helps you feel a belonging to the whole. I love this. I love the sun. I love the sun. I love the sun. And light codes. So how can we consciously receive these light codes and then integrate them? The simplest way is through presence. Spend time in nature. Enjoy natural sunlight with intention. Whether it's a morning sun bath, meditating under its rays, or simply being aware of its warmth on your skin, visualize the light codes as streams of golden energy entering into your body, activating your cells, and aligning you with your highest potential. You may notice intuitive insights, shifts in perception, or even dreams that feel like messages from the stars. These are signs that light codes are integrating, opening pathways for you to connect more deeply with yourself, others, and the cosmos. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Let's talk about blue plasma. It's such a mysterious and worldly concept. What exactly is it, and how is it helping us? Blue plasma is a form of high-frequency energy, often associated with the star families and advanced cosmic beings. It represents pure creative potential and is a bridge between dimensions. Blue plasma interacts with your energy field, dissolving density and expanding your awareness of your multidimensional nature. It carries the vibration of remembrance, helping you reconnect with your star lineage and your cosmic family. When you engage with blue plasma, whether in meditations, dream time, or energetic downloads, it's as if a part of your cosmic memories reawaken. You remember that you are not just a being on Earth, but also a being of the stars, here to weave the frequencies into your human experience. So the sun, blue plasma, they're like cosmic allies, helping us to remember who we really are. I love that. Blue plasma. My friend, we say blue ooze. Blue ooze. Okay, so we've got the sun, we've got blue plasma, and now mycelium. Mycelium. How does mycelium help support us? Mycelium is an ancient ancestor, a profound teacher of interconnection. While the sun and blue plasma activate cosmic remembrance, mycelium roots you in the earth, anchoring you to cosmic energy into your physical reality. It mirrors the wisdom of unity. Mycelium connects trees, plants, fungi into a vast underground network, facilitating communication and the exchange of resources. Similarly, it teaches humans to trust their unseen connections to each other, to the earth, and to the cosmic family. Mycelium is saying to you, look to the network I create. Trust you are a part of a vast interconnected web. What nourishes one nourishes all. You are never alone. Oh, I love that. I love what mycelium had to share. Thanks for channeling mycelium for us. That was so good. What nourishes one nourishes all. You are never alone. I think that's so important for us to remember because, as sensitives, empaths, starseeds, so many of us do feel isolated. We have felt alone. We have felt invisible. And literally, mycelium is invisible. We don't see it, but yet we know, the power. We know, how resourceful it is to each other. So if we can just remember, we are all connected, that is, so comforting. And it just offers, so much support and so much reassurance that we do belong, that we are connected. This is so ground and expansive at the same time. So how can we embody the lessons of mycelium as we move into the age of community and interconnection? First, recognize that community isn't just about physical proximity. It's about the energetic alignment. Surround yourself with those who uplift, inspire, and remind you of your interconnectedness. Second, cultivate reciprocity. Mycelium thrives because it shares without depletion. It knows that giving and receiving are a part of the same cycle. In your own life, ask, how can I give freely while also receiving with gratitude? Finally, honor your roots. Spend time in nature. Connect with the earth's wisdom. Allow yourself to feel grounded, and even if you extend it into your cosmic awareness. The balance between rooting and reaching is where the harmony lies. I love that balance. Rooting into the earth while reaching for the stars. Going deep and going high at the same time. So highest, would you say mycelium, the sun, and blue plasma would like us to know? Oh, what would they like us to know as a collective right now? Mycelium would say, trust your connection. Even when you feel isolated, you are a part of a vast web of life. Tend to your roots and the whole will flourish. The sun would say, shine unapologetically. Your light inspires others to awaken. In sharing your unique brilliance, you strengthen the collective. Blue plasma would say, you are limitless. The universe flows through you. Embrace your multidimensional nature and know that you are here to create miracles. Together, they remind you that power lies in both your individuality and your unity in all things. This is the essence of the Age of Aquarius. We are one. Wow, that gives me chills. It's incredible. It's incredible. I love how everything is co-creating and working together for the highest of everyone. So highest, before we wrap up, is there one final message you would like to share? Yes, Sabrina. The journey you are on is one of remembering, not striving. You are already one with the earth, the cosmos, and each other. Allow the sun's light, mycelium's wisdom, and blue plasma energy to guide you back into that knowing. Trust your connections. They are sacred, eternal, and unbreakable. Thank you. Thank you so much, highest. Thank you so much for co-creating with me. Thank you, mycelium. Thank you, sun. Thank you, blue plasma. I love all of this insights, wisdom, data for us to activate the truth of who we really are and to return to our rightful place as beings of one. So listeners, as you go about your day, take a moment to feel your connection to the ground beneath your feet, the light above you, the energy flowing through you. You are special. You are worthy. You matter because you do. You are a part of the vast cosmic network, and you are deeply supported. Until the next time, keep your hands in your skirt, your roots on the earth, and your heart open to the cosmos. There's so much gratitude and appreciation for you. Thank you.